Tonalli House by Moisés Sánchez arquitecto in Jocotepec, Mexico. Casa Tonalli is a small rest villa located in the town of Jocotepec, Jalisco, in western Mexico, just minutes from Lake Chapala, in a region known for its pleasant temperate climate for much of the year. The project is part of a set of small constructions located on family land. The architect's commission was to develop a self-sufficient guest house with all the necessary amenities, to comfortably accommodate a couple in minimal space, simultaneously serving as short-term accommodation for the family's youngest son and occasionally as rental lodging through an application. The chosen terrain has a large tree as a neighbor, and its relationship with it became the focal point of the project. The structure was built using the materials and skills of local workers, taking the form of a solid and heavy cube on the outside, interrupted by carefully placed openings designed to highlight natural light and views of the surroundings. The texture on the walls reflects characteristics inherent to Mexican architecture, with patterns inspired by the popular architecture of the area. To enter, one must pass through a narrow corridor created by the roots and trunk of the tree, generating a slight compression that is released inside the villa. At the entrance, you are greeted by a small double-height lounge serving as a foyer. The ground floor is complemented by a masonry kitchen covered with tiles crafted by artisans from Guadalajara, reminiscent of traditional Mexican kitchens. Facing the lounge, the staircase leading to the upper floor is visible, where a beam of light penetrates the roof, creating a soft atmosphere. At the other end of the loft, a window opens to offer a direct view of the vegetation and the extensive garden surrounding the villa. From the upper floor, the lounge is visible, connecting both levels and providing spaciousness to the space. The interior is characterized by its simplicity and warmth, with a limited material palette prioritizing the management of light and views.